This is a quick video to show you how to install the Google add-on Doctopus. I'm on a blank Google Sheet. I go to add-ons. You'll notice I have a lot of different add-ons here. I'm going to go down to where it says Get Add-ons. Click Get Add-ons. And now I'm going to look for Doctopus. So Doctopus, I can do a search up here, or if I happen to see it, which I see it right here, Doctopus, I click Free. And now Doctopus is going to ask for a lot of different things. First, I'm going to have to attach it to my Google account. And now these are all the permissions. It wants to be able to do all of these things. I'm going to go ahead and click Allow. And now it's working. And now Doctopus has been created up here because I can see it says it. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click on Doctopus. I'm going to click on Setup. Select mode. And this is only the first time you install Doctopus. After it's been installed, it'll just be there. There's always this window letting you know that this was not created by Google. It was created by another user. You have to click More, and then you can dismiss that warning. And then this is where you start setting up for your Gubric ingestion, and you can follow the directions from here. But we have just installed the add-on Doctopus to our Google Sheet.